Hey friends, this is a wonderful song which was sung by RJ Rehan from Radio Today 89.6 FM and uploaded by Psyche, the Rattlesnake and one of Rehan's die-hard fan. Here.
I wasn't the light to enlighten dreams, not even the ones causing nightmare screams. Neither did you feel, neither did you cared my absence. A happy little world, I had no existence. Away from darkness, into the light. Away from hatred, away from fights. I've been there, I've been everywhere. Whenever you felt love, I was there to care. None but me, myself and I. A dream to be, a dream you like. I've tried my best for so many nights. Then a blast of tunes and I got this life. কত সুরে কত ভাষায় কত গান কত কথায় কতবার বাঁচি মরি তোর ইশারায় বুঝলি না রে তোরে ঘিরে ভালোবাসি ঘুরে ফিরে গান হয়ে সুরে সুরে সব কবিতা Someday I'll stop existing to my Lord. I will be moving with all love, and that's a lot in my heart and soul. I've got none but me, myself and I, and a dream to be, a dream you'll like and you won't cry. The day I die, with a bit of your smile, my soul shall fly. But I'll be there, I'll be everywhere. Whenever you feel love, know I'm somewhere near. I'll be trying my best till the last sunrise. No rest in peace like this will last. কত সুরে কত ভাষায় কত গান কত কথায় কত শত গল্প লিখি তোর আঙিনায় জানি জানি তুই আসবি না বলেছি থাকতে হবে না এসে চলে যা জানিয়ে শেষবার বিদায় ঘুরে ফিরে গান হয়ে সুরে সুরে সব কবিতায় Away from darkness, into the lights. Away from hatred, away from fights. And you won't cry the day I die. With a bit of your smile, my soul shall fly.